Hey everyone, it is a beautiful day, and today we are going to be opening up this Betta SE pool skimmer. So we're going to unbox it. We're going to see what it comes with, put it to work, and review it. So let me put my camera on the stand, and we're going to go through everything this comes with and set it up. All right, so the first thing I went ahead and did was remove that styrofoam. Nobody wants to hear that, but here is the unit. Look how amazing that is. It's white, looks pretty awesome. So I'm going to set this down to the side for now, and let's take a look at what comes with this. All right, so pop this open here. We have warranty, we got our guide, and here we got our remote with some batteries and whatnot. And these, I believe, are some kind of stands or feet. Great. These are some feet that go on the back of that unit. So let's go ahead and set this up, turn it on, and put it to work. All right, so just taking a quick look at this thing, we got our dual jets on the back here. That was what propels it throughout the pool. So the cool thing about this is it will just go through the pool randomly and just skim up whatever it comes across. As I mentioned, you have these right here. You can change the existing back ends out here with these to make it a little bit longer, and that will keep it from getting stranded in shallow areas of the pool. I don't have to do that. All I have is some steps over there, and I'm not gonna have a problem with it getting stranded, but just keep that in mind if you're setting yours up. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open. Actually, let's take a look in the front right here. This is cool right here. We have these bumpers, so as it's running around in the pool and it runs into the wall, it hits this and it rolls off and spins in another direction. That way it's not tearing up your pool, it's not tearing up your Betta skimmer. So if you want to open this up, well, first of all, this is the solar panel here that keeps it charged, which will keep it charged. I mean, once it's a full charge, it's like I think 30 hours that it'll run for. So you're really not going to have any issue with these running out of charge. The great thing about these is I've left them in my garage for the entire winter when I kind of had everything closed off. Brought it out, and immediately it still had a charge and started running and has not stopped. So that's what's awesome about these. They hold a charge, and you really don't have to do anything with them. They make your life easier. So if we pop this down, we can lift this up. Here is our basket. Let's put this, they give us this piece of styrofoam right here. I'll tell you about that in just a minute. But here is our basket. As this spins, so as the thing moves, this spins, and it will pull all the debris into this basket like that. So that's what you'll end up cleaning out every couple of days. Yeah. So as I mentioned, this right here is for your skimmer over there. Sometimes these will get kind of trapped in that skimmer if the water level is not right. So a lot of times they will provide this. You can kind of stuff this, cut it to size, stuff it in there, and it'll bounce right off of it. I usually don't have that problem because I keep mine at a right level of water, so we'll throw that to the side. But yeah, this is the device right here. Let's go ahead, throw it in the pool, start watching it work. So what you'll end up doing is we'll flip the switch on right here. You can see we got green lights. We can see our propellers are going. And in fact, let me turn that off while I pick it up. There we go. So it floats like that. And then we will turn it. Turn it on there. So let's put it to work. All right, so you can see, got a little bit of debris in my pool right now, and well, it went right around that piece there, but it's gonna work its way through the pool, and it's gonna scoop up all that extra stuff in there. And you may be wondering, what is the benefit of one of these if I have one of those? Well, there's a couple of them. One, I specifically left my pool vacuum in because when that's running, there's no skimmer up there. And if you've done any yard work, if you have a pool, you know, anytime the skimmer is not running, you're gonna get debris caught on your side that just kind of gets stuck up there. So as long as this thing's running, it's keeping my pool clean. The other thing too that I love about this is I don't run my pool pump 24/7. I run it about 12 hours a day during the peak heat of the summer when it's like 90 to 100 degrees outside. And at night I have it turned off. And so leaves from these beautiful trees will fall in the pool. Eventually they'll sink or they'll get stuck to the side. This gets it up all night. And so that is a major benefit for me. It keeps my life very simple. And like I said, this thing is super easy to use. You don't have to really do anything with it. You just set it and forget it, and I just leave it in my pool year round. Now, one thing I will keep or mention to keep in mind is that when you shock the pool, if you do like a really heavy shock, you may want to take this thing out. Otherwise, you'll start seeing fading on the side and whatnot, just like anything else in your pool. So keep that in mind when you go ahead and you treat your pool with a lot of chemicals. All right, so here's another thing. It comes with the remote, and I'll be honest, I never use this thing, but you can literally control which direction you want it to go and treat it like a remote control. So I'm gonna try to get that leaf. I have not very much practiced this too well, but there we go. I just kind of spun it. So if you want to hand this to your kids and say, go ahead and have fun, treat it like a boat, you absolutely can. It's a cool little feature to have. Once again, I'm about low maintenance and not doing too much, so I really never use it. All right, so final thoughts on this thing. I was skeptical at first when I first got one, but yeah, it very much helps me with the routine, day-to-day, keeping the pool clean and really collecting junk before it sinks to the bottom of your pool, where it's actually the biggest pain to get, right? I always notice how beneficial this thing is when I'm cutting grass, because the reality is, as I'm weed eating the sides of these things, I'm getting grass in the pool, and this thing's right there to collect it. So I highly recommend it. The setup is so easy. I mean, it's literally pull it out of the box, flip it on, and throw it in the pool, and then never think about it again. You will see in probably a couple of days, you'll open that thing up and the basket will be full of leaves and whatever else that you didn't have to skim, and it didn't get stuck in your skimmer where you had to empty it out and it wasn't skimming right. So highly recommend this product. I'm going to throw a link in the description below in case you are interested in purchasing one. If you have any questions about it, do me a favor and leave a comment. Happy to respond. Thank y'all for watching the video, and I hope it helps you out.